Hey there, food lovers! Today I'm taking you on a mouth-watering journey across America to uncover the top 10 steaks you absolutely can't miss. Ready to dig in? Let's go! First up, Peter Luger in Brooklyn, New York. This iconic steakhouse has been serving up their legendary porterhouse for over 130 years. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, it's a steak lover's dream. Next, we're heading to Bern's Steakhouse in Tampa, Florida. Known for its massive wine cellar and perfectly aged steaks, Bern's offers a dining experience unlike any other. Their Chateaubriand is a must-try. Now let's talk about Pappas Brothers Steakhouse in Houston, Texas. Here, the dry-aged ribeye is the star of the show. Tender, flavorful, and cooked to perfection, it's Texas beef at its finest. Over in Chicago, Gibson's Bar and Steakhouse is a staple. Their USDA Prime steaks are wet-aged and then charbroiled to create a crust that's simply unforgettable. Don't miss their bone-in ribeye. Heading west, we've got Cut by Wolfgang Puck in Beverly Hills, California. This upscale spot offers a unique take on steak with options like the Japanese Wagyu ribeye. It's a splurge, but oh so worth it. In Las Vegas, there's SW Steakhouse at the Wynn. Their signature dish, the chili rubbed ribeye. It's a flavor explosion that'll leave you wanting more. For a taste of the Midwest, St. Elmo Steakhouse in Indianapolis, Indiana is a must. Their filet mignon is melt-in-your-mouth good. Pair it with their famous shrimp cocktail for a meal you'll never forget. Next stop, Prime Steakhouse in Las Vegas again. Located at the Bellagio, it's as luxurious as the hotel itself. Opt for the bone-in filet mignon. Trust me, you won't regret it. In New Orleans, you've got to check out Dickie Brennan's Steakhouse. The ribeye here is something special, aged to perfection and cooked just right. Plus, it's in the heart of the French Quarter. What's not to love? Finally, we're wrapping up at Harris's in San Francisco, California. This classic steakhouse serves a New York strip that's out of this world. Tender, juicy, and incredibly flavorful. It's the perfect end to our steak journey. So there you have it, folks. 10 of the best steaks in America that you just can't miss. Whether you're a seasoned steak connoisseur or just looking to treat yourself, these spots are sure to impress. Happy eating, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.